Volleyball is cool and fun. This is the very popular sports in the Philippines, is volleyball. Braveheart is the name of our team. Sports SG is the league we are playing. We start playing since season 1, from 1 year already from now. Then now it's already season 3. Different team, different jersey. Sports SG we are already, now is 40 teams. Our team, my team is we just stay here. Because if you go other places, must to book the court. And then no money to just here free already. We use strings to put the lines so you can see if the ball is outside or inside while playing the volleyball. It's the Bay Area, last time we do playing but very noisy. Then after that somebody complains, they cannot play. Here in Kalang, nobody complains. This is the center, the middle, because some of our friends stay in Tanamera, Jocon. Then this is the best place to come together. Just like bonding already. All the Filipino maid, if want to join, can be friends. It's good for us. The Indonesian also, who wants to play here, who wants to join, can join. We are having fun, either win or loss, just enjoying the moments. If you are busy playing also, you cannot feel homesick because you have friends together. Sometimes celebrate birthday, we bring the mat. You can also rest here, nobody disturb you. No need to go other place, just come in Kalang, holiday. I've been about 8 years. I come 2007. I was thinking I'm going back, I think somewhere 1 year. If I'm not here in Singapore already, I ask them to continue our team. Because of Braveheart, the friendship, don't break up, don't break our team. Because I say once I go back, after that they don't want already. Some go alone, then just like no communication already. Last time this all my teammates are not my friends. Because we make this team, then become friendship already. We lost. Punishment. We lost the game.